Imagine waking up to see money in your account, money you earned while you were sleeping. This isn't magic, it's affiliate marketing. And today, I'm going to tell you the true story of how Sarah, a broke single mom, went from zero to over $10,000 in 90 days without creating her own product. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how she did it and how you can too. But before I tell you how, I want you to answer this. If you had an extra $500 coming in every week, what's the first thing you'd spend it on? Comment it below. I'll read every answer. 3 months ago, Sarah was working 10-hour shifts at a coffee shop. Her rent was late. Her kids needed new school uniforms. And no matter how hard she worked, she was stuck. She didn't have money to start a business. But she did have one thing, a phone and internet connection. One night, she stumbled across a video, how to make money online with affiliate marketing. She'd never heard of it before. But the idea sounded almost too good to be true. Promote someone else's product and get paid every time someone buys through your link. Most people click away at this point. But Sarah? She paused the video, grabbed a notebook, and decided to test it for 30 days. And here's what she did, step by step. Step 1, she picked a niche. Not random. She asked herself, what problems do I know people have that I can help solve? She loved cooking healthy meals for her kids, so she chose the healthy cooking niche. Step 2, she found affiliate products that solved real problems. She went to websites like ClickBank, ShareASale, and Amazon Associates. She looked for products that busy moms like her would actually want, recipe ebooks, kitchen gadgets, meal prep programs. Step 3, she signed up for free. No upfront cost. Just got her unique affiliate links. But here's the thing, most beginners fail right here. They just spam their link everywhere. That doesn't work. Sarah knew she had to give value first. Step 4, she picked one traffic source to start with. She didn't try Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube all at once. She chose TikTok because short videos spread fast, and it's free. Step 5, she created helpful content. Every day, she posted 30-second videos, quick recipes, kitchen hacks, grocery savings tips. She didn't even mention products at first. She built trust. Her 5th video went viral, 120,000 views in 2 days. In the caption, she casually linked a kitchen tool she was using. That link? Her affiliate link. That first sale felt like $1 million. She took that as proof this worked and doubled down. Step 6, she automated. She created a simple free website with Linktree so people could find all her links in one place. Step 7, she collected emails. She used a free tool like MailerLite to give away a free PDF of 5 quick dinner recipes in exchange for email addresses. This way, she could follow up with people and recommend more products even months later. Step 8, she tracked results. She saw which products made the most money and focused on promoting only those. From $0 to $10,000, and all from a free strategy. Here's what Sarah learned and what you need to remember if you want to succeed with affiliate marketing. Pick a niche you care about. Promote products that solve real problems. Give value first, sell second. Focus on one traffic source until it works. Build an email list, it's your biggest asset. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a build real value, help people, and get paid business. And it works if you take action. So now you've seen the exact steps Sarah used. The question is, will you just watch, or will you start? Here's what I want you to do. Pick a niche tonight, find 1 to 2 affiliate products, and post your first piece of content in the next 24 hours. If you found this story inspiring, hit the like button so YouTube knows to show it to more people. Subscribe and turn on notifications because in my next video, I'll share 5 affiliate programs that pay $500 per sale and how to get approved for them.